course. So it's really simple, okay? Obviously, what I'd say is listen to what I'm about to say and then go back through the wholesale module in the course. You'll understand it a lot better, and it's laid out for you pretty well in there. So basically, in short, what you want to do is you want to grab that wholesale list of all the suppliers in the course, right? I think there's a couple hundred, and actually in the new update, I think there's a lot of them. Hold up. So when it updates to the next version of the course, I believe it is almost 10,000. So almost 10,000 suppliers coming, vetted wholesale suppliers. That's invaluable. I can't even stress how invaluable that is, okay? And so what I'd say right now, there's plenty of wholesale suppliers to go through in the course currently on that list. Literally one by one and knock them off, right? So grab one from the list, reach out to them, sign up for an account, okay? And then what you want to do is once you actually sign up for the account and you're accepted, you want to reach out to them and grab a product catalog or a list of all their products from them. Put simply, a lot of them call it product catalog, but some of them don't. So reach out, get a full list of their products, and then once you get that itemized list of their products, as long as it has a product identifier, which it will, as long as it has a title, which it will, another way to potentially identify products and keywords and stuff like that, and as long as they have a price quoted to you per unit, which it will, then you can put it into the Scan Unlimited software and use that software to run it against all of Amazon's products and basically tell you what potentially might be profitable with that, right? So to recap, literally take one wholesale supplier, contact them, sign up for an account. That's step 2, right? Then step 3 would be get their product list or the product catalog, right? And then put that product list, assuming it has a product identifier, so an ASIN, an ISBN, or a UPC, or anything of the sort, right? A title and a price per unit, put that product catalog or product list into Scan Unlimited, okay? And then run Scan Unlimited, obviously, the way that I show you in the course, and it will show you which of those products is profitable for you to buy, right? And then obviously you don't just take Scan Unlimited's word for it, you then want to check, but essentially it's saving you probably tens of thousands of hours, honestly, because you don't have to manually go through and check every single product on the website, which would, you'd never be profitable and you never ever find enough products to, run a business. But with Scan Unlimited, it literally runs it like that for you, spits you out maybe a couple potential ones that look profitable, and then you can check those, right? Maybe a couple of them are profitable, buy those, ship them into FBA, sell them, boom, you have more money, you have more profit, you have more products, right? If they aren't, move on to the next supplier, or even if they are, buy them, move on to the next supplier, right? So grab the next supplier in the list, reach out, set an account up. Once you have the account up, reach out to them, grab the product catalog or the product list, put it into Scan Unlimited. Again, source the profitable products after you check them all and you run them through the software. Rinse, repeat, recycle, rinse, repeat, recycle. That's how you scale up wholesale. Now, wholesale, a lot of people if you're starting to scale wholesale, what I recommend is obviously you want margins realistically above 20% at least. So ideally 20 to 30% or plus, right? But when you're starting out, it's okay completely to source products that are lower than that margin wise, because you're really in that learning phase where you're going to start to see how to source, how to reach out to suppliers, how to build trust with them, how to show that you can demonstrate value and sell their products and bring something else to the table, as well as so the way that you're sourcing, even if you don't, you aren't super profitable on every product that you source, you're gonna get the majority of your money back and you're gonna get it back fast because it's gonna be high branded products that sell quickly most of the time if you're sourcing correctly, which obviously you will be if you follow the course. And ultimately, you're gonna learn a lot through that process. So even if you make zero money doing so, right? Which you will make money, obviously, if you're doing it correctly. Even if you make zero money initially, you're gonna learn so much so that the next time and the next time, you'll be that much better and you'll make that much more money. You'll make many better decisions on your wholesale products, okay? So I hope that makes sense. Like I said, just go through that checklist, grab one, reach out, sign up for an account, grab their product list, their product catalogs, run it through the Scan Unlimited software like I'll show you in the course, and then buy the profitable products, move on to the next one, rinse, repeat, recycle, okay? So I hope that helps.